Hey, what's up, fellas? We're back out here at White Sands again, and the customer has requested an upgrade to a universal fuel system that can burn pretty much all oils and diesel and propane. So we have a propane lance hooked up here, and we're going to start our first test. And so the objective is to get the liquid fuel igniter to also ignite the propane. With any luck, it shouldn't be that big of a problem. Because the power rating of this burner is so high, we have 3 boiler tanks going there. Hopefully that's enough. I don't want to have to mess with liquid fuel. Okay, with the air on, the spark is a lot bigger, which is promising. So here goes. That it won't stay lit, and I didn't expect it to, but it is igniting the gas. So this tells me we're going to be all right. Yeah, it won't light it now. Okay, so unfortunately I'm not getting much of a gauge reading there. I'm thinking about crimping that nozzle a little tighter, because we want to be able to read a pressure reading to control the burner power level. Probably going to go out here in a second. Yeah, I'm getting 0 pressure reading there. So if I crimp the nozzle closed tighter, it will get some back pressure. Maybe that's too much of a lot. Okay, it's alive, but I gotta shut it off. Okay, we got pressure reading. That's all I can do. Calling it a night. Okay, that's all I had to do. I just had to proof the system real quick. All right, we're good to go. That's welded in place. I might put one more reinforcement bracket on this thing so no one kicks it and busts it loose, but we're ready to roll for tomorrow's test. And if you're just joining us on this build, this is a reverberator furnace. One of my commenters corrected me on that the other day. I'll have to find that guy. But this is a tilting Hearth Reverberator furnace, and you're about to see a whole lot of melted copper come out of this thing. This is a previous test done on liquid fuel, but the customer has commissioned a propane attachment as well for the large propane tanks they use to run their aluminum foundries. And man, did we get a lot of copper out of this test. I think it was only actually like 35 pounds, but it sure looks like more than 35 pounds of molten metal coming out of that thing, I can tell you that. But this is what this thing does. And as soon as the sun comes up, we'll be testing this thing on propane. I got a feeling it's going to be a little bit louder on propane because it sure did roar right there. But it's going to be hotter as well. Not sure about the price point on operation, but we did get our gauge to work the way I wanted to, which means we'll be able to say, hey, 15 PSIs melts, you know, 50 pounds or 100 pounds this fast, yada yada. But that's a wrap.